A very blessed good day, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong adlaw, maupay nga aga, Dios marhay na aga, maayap aabak, masantos makansawan, na imbag nga aldaw in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. Welcome to LifeMax Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class, game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by its hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, and 27 other bioactive ingredients. Before we introduce to you our distinguished speaker, let me share to you about the window of our soul, our eyes. Imagine, kung tayo po ay nabubuhay sa pusikit ng kadiliman dahil tayo ay isang bulag, that is how important our eyes is. Our eyes is the window of our soul. As we know, we cannot function normally and fully well without our eyes. The eyes are like a super cool built-in camera in our body, and here's why we see through them. Number one, because of light detection. Eyes detect light that bounces off objects. And number two, signal transmission. The retina converts light into signals sent to the brain. And number three, brain processing. The brain interprets these signals as images. So think of this like a team effort. The eyes capture while the brain interprets what the eyes see. Amazing, isn't it? So sea buckthorn is great for eyes because of what's packed inside it. Number one, it is high in vitamin A and carotenoids. Sea buckthorn has beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Your retina uses these to handle light and protect the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. And lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses, filtering blue light and oxidative stress. And number two, antioxidant shield. Ito po, ang sea buckthorn po, yung kanya pong ingredient na omega-7, ito po ang ating kalasag o pananggalang to protect our eyes. Your eyes are exposed to light and oxygen all day, which create oxidative stress. Sea buckthorn's vitamin C and vitamin E and flavonoids help neutralize free radicals that can damage retinal cells over time. And number three, supports tear film and dry eyes. The oil from sea buckthorn is rich in omega-7 fatty acids, and study shows that omega-7 can support the mucous membranes, including the ones that keep your eyes moist. That is why it's been studied for dry eye and eye irritation, especially in dry or high altitude environments, which is partly why astronauts, the military jet pilots, and even airline pilots use it also to protect them from radiation. And number four, circulation boost. Better blood flow to the tiny vessels in your eyes helps deliver nutrients and clear waste. Kaya po pag lumuluha tayo, tangay-tangay at inilalabas nito ang mga toxins sa ating katawan. The antioxidants and flavonoids in sea buckthorn support vascular health, which indirectly helps the eye function. So basically, it helps protect the retina, supports moisture, and shields against light oxidative damage. So think of it as a maintenance for our eyes camera system. So ayaw nating mabuhay sa pusikit na kadiliman, kaya't napakahalaga at napaka-importanting alagaan natin ang ating mga mata. With our eyes camera system alone, within that our human body is truly amazing, wonderfully and fearfully made by the Almighty God who created you and me. So we thank God with our game-changing product, Life Protect, with its hero and powerful ingredient, sea buckthorn. In our digital age, will supplement, upgrade, protect our eyes and entire body to keep us healthy, properly functioning, alive, and well. So sa Diyos po ang lahat ng papuri. And now we come to our much-awaited presentation, our product and compensation plan. Our world-class speaker, especially for our first-time guest, ay isa pong registered nurse. He graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim ang kanyang mithiin na tayo ay maging malusog, magbago ang antas ng ating buhay, maging ng ating mga pamilya at maging ng buong pamayanan. Kasabihan nga po, hindi bali nang problema ka basta may pera, kaysa problema ka na walang pera. Remember, we are blessed by God to be a blessing. Isa po siyang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging regional stockist, a country representative. Siya din po ang ating financer. But despite of all his achievements, he's very kind, a down-to-earth person. Madarama po natin sa kanya ang tender loving care na gaya ng ating mga pinagmamalakit, pinagpipitagang mga overseas Filipino nurses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve. At dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, ay mababakas natin sa kanya ang kutis mayaman at kutis celebrity na gaya ng ating paborito at iniidolong si John Lloyd Cruz, is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Yes, thank you, Coach Bernie Mariano, for that wonderful introduction. Grabe, no? And actually, we're very blessed for today's Zoom meeting dahil may mga somehow may mga guests naman din po tayo ngayon, no? So mga bagong mga guests, no? Na this would be their first time to hear about this presentation with LifeMax Global. So first of all, we'd like to welcome all the guests, no, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and especially sa ating mga leaders na walang sawang nag-i-invite every Zoom meeting po natin, no. So in this presentation, we would like to share to you what's we have with our LifeMax Global, ano yung opportunity na meron po tayo, at yung produkto na napakaganda na nandito kay LifeMax Global. But before that, I would like to show you a video kung bakit or somehow ano yung mga factors, no, na kung baga ito ay naging isa sa mga sanhi, no, ng mga klase-klaseng mga sakit, no. So let's watch this video.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan, o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo, ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento, mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusob na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusob na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress at isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals at kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagiang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, Ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw.
The most dangerous pollution is here, no? So dito, ito po isa sa mga grabing pollution kung saan tayo ay na-expose, no? Ito yung tinatawag natin na environmental pollution or smog. So andito na rin yung car smoke, yan. So industrial pollution. We have UV radiation, and right now we are experiencing matinding init, no? Na dahil yung ozone layer po, no? Kumbaga numinipis na po yung ozone layer natin. Ito po ay kumbaga nagdudulot ng malakas na impact sa init, no? Ng sikat ng araw. And also we have toxic chemicals, no? Itong toxic chemicals naman ay masasabi nating isa sa mga sanhi din na talagang napaka hazardous sa ating health, no? Especially sa mga pagkain natin nowadays ay talagang may mga chemicals na, lalo na yung mga instant food, ang daming preservatives, no? Yan. So those are carcinogenic. And we have this another pollution na kung saan masasabi nating wala po tayong kawala nito dahil whether we like it or not, we're exposed to this, no? Every day exposed po tayo dito. Ito yung tinatawag natin na cellphone radiation or EMF, electromagnetic frequency. And ito pong mga pollution na nandito, no? So as you have seen, ito ay mga tinatawag natin na free radicals, no? And according to study, no, 100% ng sanhi ng sakit, 95% of these are caused by free radicals. Yan. And ito yung mga health impact of excessive exposure to free radicals. Isa na po dito dahil sa exposure po natin sa free radicals, around 65% increase of cancer in human beings. Noon, ang pagkaalam natin pag sinabi mong cancer, ito ay mga sakit or mga sakit ng mayayaman. But nowadays, no, whatever gender you are, whatever age you are, whatever status yung yung whatever status, yung status mo sa sa buhay, talagang halos lahat apektado na rin ito, no? Kumbaga tinatamaan na ng cancer. 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas. Around 35% increase of sterility and decreased fertility rates amongst men. 21% increase of brain tumor in children. Kaya naman napaka-alarming. And around 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorder, and other chronic condition to human. Ito pong lahat na ito dahil po sa excessive exposure po natin sa free radicals. And according to research, no, and studies, there are a lot of articles na sinusuportahan nila na yung too much exposure natin to cellphone can increase possible in cancer. Ito po yung mga articles, no, na talagang even yung WHO sinabi dito, cellphone use can increase possible in cancer risk, no? Ayan. So dito, they would like to prove na talaga bang mayroon ba talagang epekto or somewhat impact yung too much exposure natin sa radiation sa ating katawan. So especially sa ating mga cellphone, no? So in Lund University of Sweden, what they do is they conducted a test, no, ang ginawa nila, they test or in-scan nila yung normal rat brain. So nagkuha sila ng guinea pig, no? Ang ginawa nilang sample is the rat brain or yung rat, no? So itong first image, it shows the normal brain of the rat. So what they do is yung rat, no, nilagay nila sa cage, then with the cell phone, and 2 hours dose of cell phone radiation, no, tinawagan yung cellphone in calling mode. 2 hours dose of cell phone. You know what? After 2 hours dose nung exposure sa cellphone sa rat, no, in-scan nila uli. Then as after the scan, no, tiningnan nila and they observe, and it showed na talagang yung before, no, yung normal rat brain, ang nangyari, nag-shrink, no, lumiit yung rat brain after cellphone exposure. And they have also seen that mayroon siyang mga bukol-bukol, no, or somehow significant neuronal damage. And according to Doc, no, ito daw pag mag-accumulate ito, it will lead to brain tumor. And kaya naman talagang nowadays ang dami na, no, even mga bata ngayon, noon parang yung common na ngayon autism, no, kumbaga before parang ano na, kumbaga medyo hindi natin yan commonly naririnig, but nowadays talagang rampant na talaga, no, yan. Okay, so ang point lang natin dito, kung ito ay nangyari sa rat brain, and basically yung rat brain at saka yung human brain are almost similar yung structural ano nila, no, yung component nila. So therefore, kung nangyari ito sa rat, posible din po itong mangyari sa human brain. Yan. And did you know children are more prone to EMR or electromagnetic radiation because they have thinner skulls, their brain are still developing, and 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumor. Kaya naman napaka-alarming since yung common nating ginagawa, no? Like for example, yung bata, no, pag umiiyak, para hindi kumbaga para hindi na umiyak or somewhat hindi na mag-ano sa'yo, hindi na magkumilit, no? What they usually do are, especially we parents, no, binibigyan natin ng cellphone, no? So minsan nga pag talagang naka-cellphone na, pag kinukuha mo yung cellphone, talagang nagtatantrums pa, no? So talagang umiiyak. Ayan. So without knowing that isa din po pala tayo sa contributory factor, no, ng exposure nila sa radiation. Ayan. And I would like to show you an image kung saan this image shows the penetration rate of radiation, no? So in a 5-year-old, ito yung first image dito, in a 5-year-old, etong yung yellow red areas, it's indicate the thermal heating ng radiation, no, using cellphone sa 5-year-old na child, no? So ito around nasa 90 to 95% yung ano niyan, yung penetration rate, yung penetration rate ng radiation. Ayan. So yung 10-year-old nasa 70 to 75% yung penetration rate. And even yung adult, wala pa rin tayong lusot, no? Kahit na adult, meron 40 to 45%. At least, konti lang, no? But somehow, eto hindi pa tayo safe dyan dahil yung common nating ginagawa, no? Every time may mga long calls tayo, no? So what we always do is or commonly do is pag mainit na yung cellphone natin sa kabilang tenga natin, what we intend to do is inililipat natin sa kabilang tenga. So anong mangyayari, no? So 45% penetration sa kabila, then another 45% naman penetration sa kabila. So therefore, posible talagang malaki din yung impact ng radiation, no? Exposure sa ating ulo, especially adult din. lalo na mga negosyante, no? So ako nga minsan may nakita ko sa YouTube yung sa YouTube, no? Itlog ng manok pinagitnaan ng dalawang cellphone in just a matter of 65 minutes in communication mode. Pagbiak ng itlog, no? Naluto yung itlog. So how much more sa mga lalaki, ha? Kung may mga cellphone kayo left and right, no? Nilagay nyo sa kaliwang ano nyo, no? Sa inyong bulsa, then another sa kanan nyo na bulsa. So paano yan kung dalawang cellphone nyo sabay may tumawag? Kaya naman yung penetration sa radiation talagang napaka-delikado. And of course, we don't want na talagang mag-ano tayo. We don't want na matamaan tayo nito or talagang magkaroon ng somehow parang ano no, impact sa ating health ito. Especially not with our children, no? So sino bang gusto magka-cancer dito, no? So hindi naman syempre as much as possible, no? Talagang gusto natin na talagang maprotektahan natin, no? Hindi lang yung ating sarili kahit na yung mga bata, no? So yan, no? So not with our children. But the question right now is how can we protect ourselves against these free radicals? Meron po ba tayong mga pamaraan kung paano natin maprotektahan yung ating sarili against these free radicals, no? So yun ang malaking tanong. Because whether we like it or not, we are exposed to these free radicals, no? Every now and then, meron tayong hawak-hawak na cellphone. In fact, pag matulog ka nga, no? Tabi mo pa yung cellphone mo, no? Maiwan ang lahat. Wag lang ang cellphone, no? So kaya naman talagang napaka delikado pala ng epekto nito, no? So these are talagang masasabi nating mga silent killer talaga, no, ng mga free radicals, no? So you cannot be touched, it cannot be felt, but we are totally ano nito, no? Totally may ano siya, no? May effect talaga sa atin, no? So we are exposed to this. Yan. So buti na lang with LifeMax Global, we would like to introduce to you our amazing, our first ever product, no? Ang ating talagang game changer at saka kumbaga kumbaga categorize siya as talagang napaka-unique at saka tayo yung isa sa mga magandang formulation ito, no? So ito yung ating Life Protect, no? So we would like to introduce to you our Life Protect. Itong ating Life Protect, it is powered by a hero ingredient called the Himalayan sea buckthorn. And I know some of you, this would be the first time to hear about this Himalayan sea buckthorn. Ano po ba to, no? Itong sea buckthorn, it is a golden berry from Himalayan, no? So kung saan itong golden berry ito ay hindi po basta-basta. It can survive, no, around kahit na nasa negative 45 to negative 60 Celsius yung kumbaga nagiyelo na, no? Talagang grabe, no? So meaning to say yung nutrients nito are well compact talaga na kaya niya mag-survive sa ganung klima, no? And itong ating Life Protect, no? It is a natural superfood. It acts as a free radical scavenger and a immunomodulator. Ang kagandahan ng ating Life Protect, since it had been powered by a hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, alam nyo ba na yung ating sea buckthorn, it had been used in 1980s, no? Even 1960s, 1980s, by Russian and even Chinese cosmonauts were supplementing their diet with sea buckthorn. Ayan, no? And Russian astronaut used sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties, especially in the harsh environment of space. So, kaya naman yung as we all know, no, na talagang grabe din yung radiation level dito sa Earth, no? But somehow, kung yung radiation level, kung grabe na yung experience natin sa radiation level dito sa Earth, it is times 5 or even times 10 yung radiation level nandoon sa outer space. So this is called the cosmic radiation. So which can damage cells and increase health risk. Kaya naman, Soviet scientists have found out that the CBAC thorn, no, helps to protect, neutralize, eradicate the radiation exposure to our body. Since it had been discovered that itong ating hero ingredient, the CBAC thorn, it is packed with compounds that fight free radicals. Kaya ganun ka dindi yung ating hero ingredient, no? So therefore, alam naman natin, no, at before ito inadapt nila as their supplement to protect themselves, no, against radiation. Kaya naman dumaan na ito sa grabing research, studies, at saka talagang testing, no, and they had been therefore they've confirmed na talagang ito ay mayroon talagang magandang epekto, especially it will help us to protect our body, or to protect us, no, in exposure during exposure to free radicals, no. So in space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress, so this is crucial. CBAC thorn contains high in vitamin C, carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamin E. These act as an antioxidant, so helping prevent cell damage, aging, immune system support, heart and blood health, tissue repair, and healing. No, so ganun po kaganda, ganun po kalupit, or ganun po somehow yung mga benefit na napaka talagang we could say na ano siya, no, napaka-unique ng ating hero ingredient we are Life Protect, yung ating CBAC thorn. So itong ating CBAC thorn, it contains around 190 plus bioactive nutrients, no. So kaya naman ang grabe, or I mean I could say that talagang very beneficial po yung ating hero ingredient sa ating health, no. So aside from that, no, I would like to show you a video to let you know na aside from this benefit na pwede nating ma-enjoy sa ating CBAC thorn, may marami pang mga benefit pala na pwede nating makuha or ma-experience po natin sa ating CBAC thorn. So let's watch this video.
Alam nyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang CBAC thorn o Hippophae rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China, at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hinduan Mountains, Caucasus, at Siberia. At alam nyo ba, ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang CBAC thorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada, at United States. Ang CBAC thorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6, ngunit ang pinakanatatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay kritikal sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health, at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, git pa sa taba. Kunurin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan at may malaking pangako para sa ating kinabukasan.
Yan, no? So, yung ating Life Protect, aside from our hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, at yung ating Life Protect, it also contains other 27 active ingredients. Andito na po yung 12 fruits, seeds, and gut supporting sources. So, ano po yung mga ingredients, no? Aside from the sea buckthorn na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect, no? So, ito po yun, no? So, we have blueberry, we have gooseberry, we have kamu-kamu berry, we have blackberry, we have bellberry, we have acai berry, we have goji berry, and these are super berries na mataas sa polyphenols, anthocyanins, antioxidants, with anti-tumor properties, may mga vitamin B pa po, no, na maganda sa mga nerves, no, sa mga ugat, no, and also anti-cancer properties, no. Kaya naman napakalupit ng mga berries na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect. Aside from that, we have also pink grapefruit. Yung ating pink grapefruit naman ay it boosts yung metabolism, AIDS way management, immunity, and natural detoxifier. For me, isa sa mga na-experience ko taking this Life Protect, no? Talagang hindi ka mabilis or hindi ka madaling gugutumin, no? So, yun ang isa sa mga na-experience ko dito sa ating Life Protect. Kaya naman napaka-ganda talaga even sa digestion, no? Yan. So, aside from that, we have also marigold flower. Marigold flower has a lutein, good for your eyes, plus skin healing, inflammation reduction, and immunity support. We have also sunflower seed, no, which is rich in vitamin E, and we have a special ingredient, no, from Japan. We have a nattokinase, and you know what? Yung ating nattokinase naman, it is a special ingredient na napakagaling, no, yung benefit nito dahil it acts as a blood thinner sa ating mga dugo. Kumbaga it promotes good circulation dahil ito pong yung mga dugo na lalo na especially pag yung mga malalapot na dugo, no, sanhi po ng too much sugar, no, sa cholesterol, no, build ups, no, yung mga clots. Ito ay itong nattokinase, what it will do, it will microcluster. It will broken down kumbaga yung ating mga nagkumpul-kumpul na dugo. So this might protect against heart disease and conditions caused by blood clots such as stroke, heart attack, and others, no? So yun, ganun kaganda yung ating mga ingredients, no? And we have also chicory root, we have bifidobacteria, lactobacillus, and these are prebiotics, probiotics, postbiotics na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect that would help to promote and protect sa ating gut, no? Ayan, and especially it promotes also immunity, good digestion, no, lalo na pag may mga naka-experience kayo ng problema sa bowel movement, no, this is good for you. Ayan, no. So aside from that, of course, yung ating hero ingredient, no, yung ating sea buckthorn. So ang nakaka-unique sa ating sea buckthorn, yung ating sea buckthorn kasi although berry ito, rare berry, but ito, even ako, no, talagang na-amaze ako dito dahil ang pagkaalam ko, pag sinabi mo mga omega, usually kinukuha yan sa mga fish oil eh. But somehow, with this sea buckthorn we have, no, itong ating hero ingredient ay mayroon po pala itong omega 3, omega 6, and the rare omega 7, no, for DNA repair, and omega 9. So it improves skin health, support immunity, enhance heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects, and anti-cancer, no? So ganun kaganda, no? It also has an anti-tumor activity of sea buckthorn can attribute to bioactive compounds, particularly phenolic compounds such as flavonoids, including campyrol, quercetin, and soramnitine. So this protects cells from oxidative damage that can lead to genetic mutation and to cancer. Yan. Okay, so stem cells are the body's natural repair kit. So as we all know na yung ating katawan ay nung bata pa po tayo, we have our natural stem cells sa ating katawan. But however, as we age, nagdi-deplete yung natural stem cell po natin, no? And yung natural stem cell, yung stem cell po kasi sa ating katawan, yun po yung nagse-serve as repair kit po natin, no? Pag may mga damaged cells, no, it helps in repairing, regenerate, kumbaga nagre-regenerate, no? Nagre-rejuvenate, no? And restore, no? Yun ang kumbaga benefit na at saka it also slow the aging process, no? Yun supposedly yung nabe-benefit natin if we have much of our natural stem cell. But however, as we age, yun nga, nagdi-deplete siya. But ito yung kagandahan. With our hero ingredient, yung ating sea buckthorn. Alam nyo ba na itong ating sea buckthorn ay napakagaling since maraming kumbaga nagbebenta ng mga supplements that they are promoting na stem cell sila, but however they don't have any proofs or somewhat wala pa silang mga studies talaga na talagang prove out nila na kumbaga it enhances, no, yung production ng stem cells. But dito sa ating sea buckthorn, grabe, ito yung kagandahan dahil it had been studied na talagang tumutulong na nag-increase sa stem cell production po nato. So let's watch this video.
We found that an extract from sea buckthorn berries has effects on stem cell mobilization. Sea buckthorn is a thorny shrub that grows naturally at very high altitudes in Tibet. The medicinal properties were recorded in Chinese scripts over 1,500 years ago. The multitude of health effects associated with the berries also includes reparative functions. Therefore, based on our experience with medicinal plants, we looked for effects on stem cells as a unifying mechanism. Stem cells are responsible for repair of trauma and injury, as well as general maintenance and rejuvenation of organs and tissue. Stem cells need to travel through the whole body to look for tissues that are in need of repair. Blood samples were taken immediately before consuming either placebo or 500 milligram of the berry extract. And 2 more blood samples were taken at 1 and 2 hours. The blood was used for immunophenotyping and flow cytometry to quantify the numbers of different types of stem cells. We observed mobilization of several types of stem cells. To the left you see the changes in numbers of progenitor stem cells, where a highly significant increase occurred within 2 hours after consumption. And to the right you see minor changes for the complementary pluripotential stem cell type. Here you see results for endothelial stem cells, where a statistically significant increase in numbers occurred within 1 hour after consumption and remaining significant at 2 hours. Here you see the result for mesenchymal lymphocytoid cells, where an increase in numbers occurred within 2 hours after consumption, reaching a statistical trend. When we took into account that different people may respond at different speed, we observed significant effects on mobilization of all 4 types of stem cells. We conclude that consumption of sea buckthorn extract resulted in mobilization of stem cells involved in reparative and regenerative functions. This data may contribute to the growing understanding of the traditional uses of sea buckthorn for preventive health, regenerative health, and postponing the aging process.
Wala pong audio ka.
Yan, ayan. Okay, so yan, no, kaya naman napakaganda at napakagaling ng ating sea buckthorn. So, the question right now, if ikaw po ay laging nag-take or nag-consume ng ating Life Protect, so what it would help, no? Ano yung pwede may tulong sa ating katawan? Siyempre, it will slow the aging process. At the same time, it boosts the production level ng ating stem cell. Kaya naman dito, no, sa ating Life Protect, pag ikaw ay nagko-consume nito, it will help you to slow the aging process. At the same time, pwedeng i-reverse yung aging process mo, no? I-reverse yung aging na pwede kang bumata dito. Kaya naman sa lahat ng mga consumer ng ating Life Protect, dahil dito, it will help them na lahat ng magaganda, lalong gaganda, at lahat ng pangit, tatalino. Joke, no? So, kikinis, no? So, kaya naman, ganun na lang ang katindi yung ating C-Bactor, no? So, Life Protect, major benefits. Ano yung mga major benefits na pwedeng makuha natin, no? So, it repairs damaged cells, DNA protection, mitochondrial protection, antioxidant defense, balanced immunity, supports cardiovascular health, supports hormonal balance, promotes digestive health, enhance metabolism, enhance sleep quality, rejuvenates skin and slow aging process, boost collagen production, ayan, promotes stem cell production, enhance brain function, brain calming po, no, yung ating Life Protect. Helps managing diabetes, helps regulates blood pressure, promotes eye health, liver support, kidney support, prevent prostate issues, helps thyroid and goiter problem, helps relieve arthritis and rheumatism, helps vertigo, aids in constipation, and others. Yan. Okay, so I would like to show you an sample testimonials, no? So ito yung first testimonials natin from a diabetic patient, no? Meron po siyang sugat na almost more than 3 months na hindi na gumagaling, since yung kanyang blood sugar pala ay nasa, kumbaga ang taas, no, nasa 250. But after taking the Life Protect, no, after 1 week taking Life Protect, from 250 it goes down to 115. And based on result, no, that's why in result talagang nag-heal yung kaniyang sugat, no? So yan, napakagaling, no? And aside from that, we have also another testimonial, no, from a high blood pressure, no, may hypertensive. So ang kaniyang blood pressure is around 145/90, no? That's 1039, no? After 1045, it's a matter of mga mga nasa 6 minutes, no? So from 145 it goes down to 139/85, and after mga 40 minutes, no? After 40 minutes from 139 it goes down to 122/78. Kaya naman napaka galing ng ating produkto, no? These are testimonials. Ito, by the way, this person as I've interviewed, no, wala po siyang tinake na mga any synthetic medicine, no, or mga mga maintenance. Yan. And this another testimony, no, from Cebu, no, stage 4 breast cancer. So ito, so before yung niya, no, ang laki, no, kumbaga ito talagang ang tigas daw, no. After 15 days taking Life Protect, eto, yan. So as you can see na talagang from here nag-lighten na siya, pero pumutok ito, na ang maraming nana na lumabas, no. So kaya naman napakagaling din ng produkto. Yan. So ito pong lahat, no. Ito pong ating Life Protect. Lumabas ito dahil po sa ating biochemist, research scientist, our product formulator, science educator, our LifeMax Global CEO, no other than Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas. So kaya naman it is our edge, no, as a company, hindi po basta-basta, dahil po yung ating LifeMax Global, since we have our own product formulator, our own formulation, no, product formulation, dahil po sa ating CEO, no. Kaya naman itong ating Life Protect, it is exclusively distributed only by LifeMax Global. Wow. So ang ating CEO po pala hindi po basta-basta dahil in terms talagang expert, no? Expert na expert dahil siya po ay kumbaga connected sa isang manup sa isang international company from Canada, no? So nasa international regulatory compliance po sila, no? So lahat ng mga new formulation dinadaan po sa kanila, no? Yung iba, no, nag-consult sa kanila if pasado po ba sa sa mga regulatory, no? Like US FDA, Health Canada, etc. So kaya naman in terms sa expertise, we could say yung ating CEO napaka-expert po in terms sa mga formulation. Yan. So that's why talagang kumbaga we are very blessed, no, to have our own product formulator. Kasi hindi lahat po ng may company, no, kumbaga mayroon silang mga formulation nila. Yung iba, they're used to have rebranding. Yan. So aside from that, people behind in the company, so we have our COO, Sir Edward Felicitas, the husband of Dr. Lalaine, and me myself, the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer of LifeMax Global. By the way, I am a nurse by profession, and also my partner here, the Chief Financial Officer, Carol Grace Paraño, is also a nurse. So we're, kumbaga, almost of the facilitator here are more on nasa medical field po tayo. So kaya naman, ito po yung ano talaga namin, no, yung kumbaga yung motive po namin, no, is to share about or to share an awareness about health po. Yan. Okay, so company and product legality. So we have our SEC registration, we have our LTO-FDA, and halal certification from our MANUP. Yan. Okay, so the question right now is how much, no? But before that, I would like to share to you that yung ating Life Protect, it is we prefer to have powder powder extract form, no? So we did not use the capsules, no? So powder extract po tayo. Since yung powder extract po is much more mas mataas yung absorption ni rate niya. Fast ang absorption, around 90 to 95% yung absorption rate. Then it will be directly to the bloodstream. So at the same time, kidney safe po siya. So ang pag-take po nito, no? Yan, so direct to mouth intake po tayo, no? So yan. And for me, no, talagang mas strategic kung powder form extract. Since hindi na siya dadaan sa maraming proseso, at the same time, whereas yung sa capsule kasi, hindi po natin alam, baka synthetic yung kapsula or somewhat mga pigskin or hindi madaling matunaw. So, lalo na sa may mga problema sa kidney na nagtitake, talagang napaka-delikado din po, no? So whereas yung ating Life Protect, since it is a powder form extract, pag-take mo pa lang, talagang absorb na agad sa iyong sa iyong bloodstream. Yan. So, yung isang sachet po pala natin nasa 3,000 milligrams po yan. So, I just want to emphasize yung 3,000 milligrams sa isang sachet natin, it is also equivalent to you're just taking up 6 capsule. Para ka na rin nag-take ng 6 na kapsula. Yan. So, ang ating isang box, okay, ang isang box natin, it contains 14 sachet. So, yung ratio po nito, para ka na rin uminom or nag-take ng 84 capsule or it is equivalent to 84 capsules. So, with no binders, no fillers, no junk, all pure freeze-dried molecules. Yun ang kagandahan sa ating Life Protect. So, the question right now is how much? Actually, kung di ba kanina nakita nyo na talagang hindi basta-basta yung mga ingredients o somewhat mga raw mats na nilagay natin sa ating Life Protect, no? Yung mga ingredients na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect. Those are talaga mga premium or yung mga ano talaga, no, mga piling-pili talaga, no, ng mga raw mats, no. And sabi nga ni doktora, no, dahil to think, yes, galing pa ito sa mga iba't ibang bansa. We have our sea buckthorn cream from Himalayan, we have our berries, no, sa North America, then yung mga like we have yung gooseberry, no, from India, we have other mga raw mats natin like nattokinase from Japan, no. So kaya naman napakagaling ng formulation ng ating Life Protect. So with this formulation with premium ingredients we have, no, we could price this one, no, as much as 11,200 or 11,500, but we didn't do that, no, since gusto natin na mas maraming makapag-enjoy, maraming makapag-take, marami makapag-benefit, no, at talagang maraming matry yung ating Life Protect. So that's why instead of pricing this one for 11,200, we just price it for only 2,500. Ayan. So ang kagandahan dito, dahil sa isang box mo, 2,500, automatically member na po kayo diyan, no? So automatically you will be also a member. So ang kagandahan, as a member, may mga benefits po tayo na pwedeng ma-enjoy, no, as a member. So I would like to share to you how you will enjoy the benefits or the perks, no, as a member of LifeMax Global. So make money with LifeMax Global. How to be a business associate, no? Ito, no. So with our program, no, with LifeMax Global, dito sa LifeMax Global, no registration fee po tayo. Just simply purchase product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. No quota or mandatory maintenance. Business with no boundaries. Real-time commission. Daily payout. Kaya naman, napakagaling. Kasi once na mag-encode ka, automatic you will be enjoying the agad, no, yung returns mo, yung income compensation. Okay, so generous compensation program, unlimited income potential, claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no fare and trip incentive and travel rewards. So our offers, we offer premium products, ultimate comp plan, and third, rewards and bonuses. Ayan. So as a LifeMax Global Business Associate, you can be any of the following. You could be a consumer if you think if you want to enjoy LifeMax products for personal health and wellness, or you could be an entrepreneur as well. Build income by sharing and promoting LifeMax products, or you could do both. You could be a consumer and entrepreneur, experience the health benefits while also earning from the LifeMax business. Yan. So how to become a business associate? To get started with LifeMax Global Business, just purchase any of the 5 business packages. No? So ito yung mga different packages that we can choose. Ayan. So we have our light pack, no? So ang ating light pack, no, pag member ka na 2,100, 1 box po 'yan. Core pack 2 boxes, we have Pro pack 4 boxes, we have Master pack 16 boxes, and Infinity pack 40 boxes. Yan. So here in LifeMax Global, mayroon po tayong program na kahit light pack ka lang, you have the chance na pwede kang maging Infinity pack. Mamaya, i-share ko po sa inyo po how it works, no? Paano po 'yan, no? So here in LifeMax Global, 5 ways to earn po tayo, no? Earn LifeMax dollars and get products for free. Okay? So first, outright commission. Yung suggested retail price po natin is 2,500. Members price is 2,100. Kaya naman, you will be enjoying outright commission of 400 per box. Okay? So kaya if you have core pack, pag kinuha mo ay core pack, meron kang 2 box. So if pag ni-retail mo yan, you will be enjoying times 400 yan, no? 2 boxes times 400, you will be enjoying 800. Pag Pro pack naman, 4 times 400, that's 1,600. Pag Master pack, you have 16 boxes, no? Pag binenta mo yan ng 2,500, no? So meron kang 6,400. Pag Infinity naman, 40 times 400 per box, meron kang 16,000 pesos. Ayan. Okay? On yung sa ating second way to earn, we have referral commission. So yung ating referral commission, it will be generated sa ating system, sa ating dashboard. We have dito kasi, no, every time na mag-member ka, no, every member has their own dashboard, no, system. Ayan. So free na po 'yan, no. So here, if yung ating referral, by the way, it will be based on the package we've got, no. So like for example, you are a light pack. So meron kang 20% based on the point value, so you'll be earning $4. Okay? Every box. Yan, no? So pag ikaw po ay nakapag-refer, no? Since you will be enjoying $4 every box, pag nakapag-refer po kayo ng Infinity Pack, so 4 times 40 po yan, no? 4 times 40, you will be enjoying 160. Ayan, dollars, no? Pag kurpak ka naman is $5 every box. Okay? Every box you refer $5. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng Infinity, so 5 times 40, that would be $200, no? So, pag Pro Pack naman, $6 per box. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng Infinity, you will be enjoying $240. Pag Master Pack, $7 per box, no? Pag nakapag-refer ka ng 40 boxes, no? That would be 280. Pag Infinity Pack naman, $8 times 40, that would be $320. Yan. So, ito po yung sa ating referral commission. So, once you will be in an Infinity account, no, you will be enjoying the lifetime 40% referral commission. Yan. So, wala po tayong demotion dito. Pag na-hit mo na yung highest package, lifetime na po, ma-enjoy mo yung benefit ng Infinity Pack. Yan. Okay, so third way to earn, we have binary plan bonus. Okay, so yung sa ating binary plan bonus, this is the, as we could say, another term with this is pairing bonus or matching bonus. Okay, so every match, no, you will be enjoying 20%, no, bonus match. Ayan. So how it works, no? Since we are a computer-generated system, every time ma-detect ng system na may pumasok sa left leg mo na isang box, then sa right leg mo na isang box, you will have a match, no? So meron kang match, meron kang $4. What if meron kang dalawang box sa left, dalawang box sa right, so every match, meron kang $4. So since dalawang box ito, so dalawang match din po yan. So you will be enjoying $8. Pag Pro Pack naman, or 4 bucks on the left, 4 bucks on the right, 4 match po yan. Pag 4 match naman, you will be enjoying $16. Pag Master, 16 bucks on the left, 16 bucks on the right, 16 matches, you will be enjoying $64. Pag Infinity naman, 40 bucks on the left, 40 bucks on the right, you will be enjoying match, no, 40 match. So that would be $160. So down the line po yan, since we are unlimited match per day, no? Mamaya explain natin paano po yan, no? Okay. So ito yung ating income potential, no, sa ating it will be based on the package, no, we've got, no. So ito po, no, like for example, you are a light package, no. Pag light package po kayo, you will have a maximum earning of $300 or 21,000 peso. Pag core pack po kayo, $600 or 42,000 peso. Pag Pro Pack po kayo, 3,600 or 252,000 peso. Pag Master po kayo, 7,200 or 504,000 peso. Pag Infinity Pack naman po kayo, 12,000 or 840,000 in peso. So, paano po yan? Monthly po ba ang kitaan? Yes, it could be monthly. It could be per week, it could be per day, it could be per hour, or even per minute. Yan, so depende po sa lakas ng grupo, no, sa production ng inyong organization. Yan. So since we are capping, no, mamaya explain natin to, no. Okay, how to upgrade my account? Ganito po siya, no. So here in since capping po tayo, take note, no. So every time may earning po tayo, 10% of your earning will be automatically deducted for your upgrade or capping. So how it works, no? Ganito po siya, no? So once you are a light account, for example, light account po kayo, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain as a light account is $300. Tama po, no? Sa $300 mo, 10% of this will be segregated. So, as you accumulate the income of $300, you will be may nakasegregate po dyan, no? Na $30. Yan. Okay, so $30. So what you will need to do is just click it, no? I-click mo lang yung $30, automatically pag click mo ng $30, meron kang isang box. So aside from your one box, yung account mo na light account, well, it will be upgraded to core account. And hindi lang po 'yon. Every time you will upgrade, no, or mag-capping ka, syempre every box you click, no, meron ding referral bonus si upline na makukuha sa iyo. Plus pag nasa weak leg ka pa, meron pang pairing bonus si upline. Ayan. So from light account naging core account na siya. So as a core account, ang income cap mo dito is $600. So 10% of 600, that would be $60. So therefore, dito sa income sa yung nasisegregate na 10% ay hindi po siya, walang tapon po yan. Hindi po yan na we-waste since it will be used for your upgrade. Ayan. So pag $60, mayroon ka ng $60, pag click mo niyan, mayroon kang 2 box. So from the time you click that one, from core account, your account will be upgraded to pro account. Same pa rin, no? Every time you click, no? Every time you upgrade, of course, depende sa boxes na mag-upgrade ka. Like for example, this one, 2 box. So 2 referral bonus din ang matatanggap ni upline. Pag nasa weak leg ka pa, 2 pairing bonus pa rin, no? So aside sa referral bonus, 2 referral, mayroon pang 2 pairing bonus. So sa pro account, 3,600 naman yung yung capping mo dyan, no? 3,000 your income potential. Okay? So sa 3,600, 10% of that would be 360. So this one, 360 divide 30. So pag clinic mo ito or nag-claim ka nito, you will have 12 boxes. Okay? So 12 boxes of Life Protect. Then the good thing with this, the time you click this one, from pro account, your account will be upgraded to master, no? So imagine 12 boxes po 'yan. What if si upline is infinity account, no? So si upline tatanggap ng 12 referral bonus na tig $8. Yan per box. So pag nasa weak leg ka pa, may bangga pa si upline. So yan. So master account, so income cap 7,200. This time around, you will have a 720 na nakasegregate. So sa 720 mo, pag the time na mag-click mo yan, automatically meron kang 24 boxes. 24 boxes niyan. So dito, pag na-click mo na yan, from master account, you will be upgraded to infinity account, no? Ayan. So imagine mo, 24 boxes din na aakyat ng referral bonus. Kaya naman, napaka-galing. At saka somehow, same din, no, sa iyo, no? Every time na may mga leaders ka, every time they upgrade, you will also enjoy referral and pairing bonus. Ayan. So dito, as what I have said, kahit na nag-upisa ka sa light account, you have the chance na pwede kang maging infinity account. And guess what? Ang kagandahan po sa system natin, every time na itong yung upgrading natin, wala po itong time frame. So therefore, within a month time, no, pag hindi ka naka-upgrade, no, so unlike with the others, yung iba kasi pag hindi naka-upgrade, talagang you will be stagnant to that or ano ka na, on that package ka na, no? So diyan ka na, ma-stagnant ka na diyan sa package na yan. But here in LifeMax Global, siyempre it will be depending on you. So kung kailan mo gustong mag-upgrade. Yan. Okay. So here in LifeMax Global, we have maximum of 3 accounts, no? We could have at least maximum of 3 accounts. 3 accounts lang po tayo. Ayan. So here in LifeMax Global, we suggest, if you think that this opportunity we have with LifeMax Global ay very potential at talagang very promising, we recommend na mag-start po kayo ng tatlong account. Maximize your account, no? Position your account 3 accounts, no? You could start from 3 Lite, or you could start from 3 Core, 3 Pro, 3 Master, or 3 Infinity, no? Since dito naman kahit na 3 Lite ka, as you kumbaga your network nag-build yung network mo, no? You will automatically upgrade, no? So even yung kahit na 3 Lite ka, walang puntahan yan, kumbaga mag-upgrade din po yan ng tatlong Infinity. But somewhat, pagpalagay natin, we want to start this one big time, no? So let's start it from 3 Infinity. Pwede, no? So tatlong Infinity agad, no? So tingnan natin kung ano yung potential pag nag-umpisahan mo ng malakihan, no? 3 Infinity, no? So yan. So if you have 3 Infinity accounts, what you need to do is just get 4 leaders. Get 4 leaders na will do the same, no? They will also get each one of them will get 3 Infinities also, no? So ipagpalagay na natin na on the level 1, on the first level, no? Nakompleto mo yung 4 mo na leaders na nagkuha din ng tagtatatlong Infinity. So in this level 1 alone, no, you have the potential income of 3,200 or 224,000 in peso. Yung 4 mo, what you will do is teach them, train them, empower them that they will also do the same. They will get each of one get 4 leaders that will have 3 Infinity accounts. So on the level 2, yung 4 mo naging level 2, 16 Infinity. So here, ang level 2, sa level 2 mo, may 268,800 ka. On the level 3, 64, yung 16, naging 64 Infinity. This time around, you have a maximum or potential income of 537,600. From 64, naging 256. This time around, you will have an earning of 1,075,200. Then, from 256, naging 1,024. This is the power of leverage, no? So, nag-compound na ito, no? From 1,024, from nag-256 naging 1,024, this time around, you will be earning a potential income of 2.1 million. From 1,024, naging 4,096, and this time, 4.3 million. No? So, just in level 6 alone, no? Natin, no? Hindi lang dyan nag-stop, no? Yan, down the line yan. But, somewhat, pagpalagay natin, on level 6 pa lang, no? So, dito, kinita mo dito, accumulation 8.5 million. So napaka talagang laki ng pwedeng kikitain mo dito sa LifeMax Global. So here in LifeMax Global, it would be depending on the on your projection or yung gusto mo mangyari. So it's up to you. Yan. So then the fourth way to earn, we have the repurchase program, no? So repurchase program natin, instead of using Unilevel, we use the repurchase program. So in this manner, we will be enjoying the redundant binary. Yan. So for example, ang isang account mo is Infinity account ka, no? Pag isang Infinity account ka, syempre, meron ka ngayong nag-repurchase ka, no? Nag-repurchase ka ng isang box. So pag clinic mo yung repurchase, yung referral bonus ay papasok sa personal account mo. Hindi siya papasok sa upline but on your personal account. For example, clinic mo yung repurchase, no? Kasi mayroon kang light account or isang box. Yan, papasok sa mismong account mo. But the question right now is, how about your upline? Ano yung kikitain niya? Okay? Pag mag-repurchase ka, yung 20 points papasok sa account mo, then aakyat yun kay upline. So pag nasa weak leg ka, doon mag-enjoy si upline, papalo yun sa strong leg ni upline. So therefore, here in LifeMax Global, every time may new member mag-join, pairing ka. Every time mag-upgrade, pairing ka. Every time mag-repurchase, pairing ka pa rin, no? So yun ang kagandahan. So, how about mayroon kang tatlong account, no? Yan. Okay, so pag mayroon kang tatlong account, example, yung account 3 mo, strong leg, nandito, 10,000 points yan, no? So, yung sa kabilang leg mo ay ito yung weak leg mo. Yan. So what you will need to do is, syempre, if you decided na mag-repurchase ka, you put it on your weak leg para aakyat ngayon yung referral bonus sa main account mo plus meron ka pang pairing bonus. Kaya naman here in LifeMax Global, so we suggest and recommend na mayroon kang tatlong account so to maximize the earnings na pwedeng ibigay sa iyo ng ng system natin. Ayan, no? So referral bonus goes to main account for every product package repurchase. Referral bonus depends on the entry package. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under your network makes a repurchase. Ayan. So payout percentage, cash out 80%, capping 10%, and redemption 10%. So we want that tayo, no? As a member, as a distributor, we must be a product of our own product. So kaya naman talagang kailangan meron tayong personal consumption natin. So total of 100%. So last but not the least, leadership bonus reward. Actually on our first 4 ways to earn pa lang, talagang panalong-panalo na, no? Yan, no? But here in leadership bonus reward, ito ay add-on na lang to, no? So as you earn from your 4 ways to earn, ito dagdag na lang sa income mo. Yan. Okay, how it works, no? Ang kagandahan sa leadership bonus reward natin, wala siyang time frame, walang reset, and these are all accumulative. Accumulative po to. So based on the income. Like for example, accumulation income mo, $2,500. No, meron kang 2 Infinity Direct. Kahit na yung 2 Infinity Direct mo, nagsimula lang yan sa Lite, nag-upgrade, and they become Infinity. So, pasok pa rin po yan. No? So, here, pag may 2,500 ka na, you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. As a Quartz Ambassador, you will be enjoying a smartphone or any gadget worth 15,000 pesos plus product redemption reward of $50. Yan. So, from 2,500, naging 5,000. This time around, you will be Amethyst Builder. As Amethyst Builder, you will be enjoying a local travel incentive going to El Nido. Yan, that would be a 4 days and 3 nights plus $150 product redemption. Then, Emerald Manager, $10,000. Meron kang reward na 60,000 for your down payment car plan. Yan, so, or you could have an iPhone, no? Yan, so, plus, meron ka pang $300 product redemption reward. Then from Emerald Manager, naging Sapphire Executive ka. This time around, you will be enjoying a travel incentive trip to Thailand. And good news, yung trip to Thailand po natin, hindi lang po ikaw, kundi this is a good for 2 trips, no? 2 packs, no? So this would be a 5 days and 4 nights, no? With a $500 product redemption reward. So from Sapphire Executive, maging Ruby Crown ka na. This time around, you will be enjoying another trip incentive going to Japan or South Korea. No, 6 days and 5 nights. Ayan. Okay? So, plus 1,000 product redemption reward. Then, Diamond Supreme. Pag Diamond Supreme ka na, luxury item, no? Rolex, Louis Vuitton, it could be Balenciaga, no? Or Hermes, no? So, it's up to you then to decide, no? Pili ka lang. So plus 2,500 product redemption. Kaya naman ang kagandahan dito with our LifeMax Global, hindi ka lang all the time na distributor, but here in LifeMax Global, as you grow your network, as you build your organization here, as you build your business here in LifeMax Global, you have the chance na pwede po kayong maging shareholder. Okay? So as a junior shareholder, ayan, accumulation natin, ayan, 20,000, then meron kang company share, no? So aside from your company share, you will be enjoying a down payment for your Montero or Fortuner. Yan. So senior shareholder, company share plus housing plan. Then last but not the least, we have the major share, no? So major share natin, company share plus travel to Europe, good for 2 yan. 12 days and 11 nights. Yan po, ganun katindi. Plus 15,000 worth of product redemptions po yan. So, ganun, no? Sa fifth way to earn natin leadership bonus reward, no? So, ayan. Okay? So, but before we will end, I would like to share to you the Stockies program we have. We have two different stockship. We have the sub Stockies and the city Stockies. So, dito po ang mangyari po is pag substockist po kayo, wala po yang wala po yang kumbaga walang specific kumbaga siya, no? Specific na lugar na na certain na exclusivity, wala po, no? So pag substockist ka, you can you can transact with your leaders, no? Ito. So ano yung mga inclusion sa ating substockist? Ayan. So substockist natin, that would be 250,000. So these are the inclusion. We have 1 Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack, then rolling inventory of 80 boxes. Product worth total 336,000. Ito, hindi pa excluding pa yung mga code ha, hindi pa yan na-encode. So ito yung sa product alone pa lang yan. At the member price po yan. So hindi pa yun yung SRP price, no? So stock is benefit, no? Every time na mag-repurchase ka, you will have a service fee of 100 pesos per box every repurchase. That would be a 5%. Plus an event of 10,000 10,000 support, no? Event support. Then ang kagandahan dito, pag ikaw yung nakakuha ng substockist, no, meron kang meron kang referral. Of course, mag-i-encode po yung mismong stockist, you will be enjoying a referral bonus plus another finder's bonus of 15,000 cash plus product support worth of 10,500. Yan. And etong ating City Stockist, no? Ito yung City Stockist program natin. The investment of this is 504,000. We have 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack, rolling inventory 160 boxes, total worth of products 672,000 pesos. Yan. So, ang kagandahan dito, meron kang 200 per box every repurchase. So, 2 event, 20,000 support. Yan, event support, no? So, aside from your referral bonus, by the way, as a City Stockist, you will be exclusively on a particular city, no, kung saan mo gustong mag-base, no? And ang kagandahan diyan, lahat ng mga substockists, every time mag-repurchase sila, they could also purchase to you, no? Ganyan. So, aside from your referral bonus, okay? You will have also a finder's bonus of 30,000 cash plus product support of 21,000 in peso. Kaya naman napakaganda ng program ng ating stockiship, no? So if you think na meron kayong mga kilala na very potential na sila po ay maging stockist, no? So sa kanilang specific na lugar, then don't hesitate na i-approach sila, no, na i-share itong magandang opportunity. And if you think na ikaw mismo na nandito ngayon, no, as our guest, if you think na magandang opportunity to na umpisahan, then let's do it, no? And ang kagandahan kasi ako personally, ang kagandahan kasi pag naging stockist po tayo, hindi lang po tayo yung nagma-market, no? I just want to i-elaborate ito na hindi lang po tayo yung nagma-market sa investment natin or sa package natin, since we have a team already from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So lahat po ng mga members po ng LifeMax Global, pag may contact sila on that particular city, kung saan ka nag-city stockist or nag-stockist, kayo po ang i-contact nila to get products from you. So, this is a helping business. So, ang kagandahan dito, marami pong magmamarket para sa inyo. Yan, yun ang edge po natin, no? So, maraming magmamarket ng mga packages para sa inyo, no? So, tulungan po ito. And ang masasabi ko lang, lalo na ngayon, dahil we are very aggressive, no, and promoting and sharing this opportunity we have with LifeMax Global, since we are in pioneering stage, kaya naman very aggressive po yung ating marketing, no. So especially mayroon tayong mga upcoming mga events, activities, no, talagang maghahatak po yan ng malalaking sales talaga. So With this, no, I would like to end this presentation thanking all of the leaders right now na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom meeting from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and especially sa ating mga guests na first time na pakinggan po itong magandang opportunity natin, opportunity we have with LifePax Global. If you think na this opportunity somewhat talagang maganda siyang umpisahan, don't hesitate, no? Kumbaga, don't second guess, or I mean kumbaga i-grab niyo na po tong opportunity, since it is our edge, no, na nasa pioneering stage pa po tayo. Talagang malaki yung opportunity pa natin, no, with this LifeMax Global. So in that, maraming salamat and God bless us all po, no, sa nandito sa ating Zoom presentation ngayon. So thank you po. Back to you, Coach Bernie Mariano. Thank you.
Wow, thank God for our game-changing product and our very generous comp plan. As per Cap Gerson's tip and advice, the real key is maximizing your account by getting up to 3 accounts who will get at least 4 leader accounts under them is the key. And based on the law of probability with proper duplication, you can earn an accumulated income from your first level down to your sixth level up to 8.5 million. And getting just the 10% of 8.5 million, you will still get 850,000 pesos. So pwede na. So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Cap Gerson Pareño, and of course, to all of you, our dear partners and guests for coming over. I think that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next exciting Zoom this coming Friday and every Tuesdays and Fridays at 8 p.m. And to God be the glory.